Math is hard, man. When I was in the 3rd grade, I thought I could do math. Turns out, I knew nothing. Well, that is at least compared to pre-calc. See, it taught me some things I didn't know. We'll start with exponential functions. The only way to go. We got Q equals f of t, which equals a times b. Raise that to the t, and it's as simple as that. You might ask, so what does that mean? Let me explain it to you. A equals the initial value of q when t equals 0. And b is the base. This is known as the growth factor. This is made up of 1 plus r. But a can't be 0, and b's gotta be greater. Can't change those exponential functions. Even if I tried, the general form. And I can't change the general form. Even if I wanted to. My math, it makes me smart. It makes me smart. It makes me smart. It makes me smart. Math makes me smart. Alright, here we go. Let's fast forward, chapter 4.3. Horizontal asymptote, it's the way to be. Don't let it confuse you. Let me explain. This is the line where y equals k. As f of x gets closer to x approaches infinity, but never really gets there. Same thing, as f of x approaches k, x gets closer and closer to negative infinity. This is known as limit notation. Don't let it confuse you. Just remember this. Never quite get there. There's another thing. The effective rate. Just learn that it's not really 8%. 8% is really 8.24 effectively, quarterly. See, a little bit of math. 0.08 divided by 4, add 1, raise it to the 4. Subtract 1, 8.24. That's the effective rate. That's what they're really charging you. Do your own math. Don't let them fool you. Figure it out. 'Cause I can't change my effective rate, even if I wanted to. My bank, that's what they charge me. It's what they charge me. It's what they charge me. It's what they charge. It's true. Figure it out. One more thing before we go. On that note, it's one of my favorites. Compound interest. Let me explain. B equals P times parenthesis. 1 plus R over N, close parenthesis. Raise it to the N times T, and you're compounding. What does that mean? Well, you have your initial investment multiplied by 1, plus the growth rate divided by the periods, close the parenthesis, number of periods multiplied by the number of years. Hopefully you get a whole lot of money. That's it right there. That's B. Even if I wanted to, I can't change my growth rate or my interest. I love my exponential functions, horizontal asymptotes. Don't forget, it makes me smart. Thanks for tuning in. Catch me next semester. We'll do some calculus.